What if you could generate $12 for every 5 minutes of labor you put in with no effort, no investment, and no prior experience? You're in luck because in this video, I'll show you how to execute it. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I'll teach you a groundbreaking technique. In this quick video, I'll show you the best websites to use all over the internet, and I'll teach you all of the steps you'll need to take if you follow with my guidance. Because it can be done on a phone and is accessible from anywhere in the world, this method is suitable for our beginners. Furthermore, using this method is secure, free, and legal. So, if you're serious about making money online, keep watching till the end to learn everything there is to know about this method. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congratulations! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. First and foremost, I recommend that you go and visit this website where you may find and download free stock photos and films. The website's address is www.pexels.com. Now, in the search area, type in the phrase black and white photos. After that, take a look at all of these black and white photos. These photos are exactly what we'll use to make money online today. The most important thing you can do right now is download as many black and white photos as possible before going to the second website named hotpot.ai. This is their homepage, and this is where you can colorize black and white photos. You'll be brought to a website where you can color your black and white images if you choose photo colorization right here. Consider the following scenario. If your photo is black and white, like the one on the left, you may colorize it for free using this website, and you can earn $5, $10, $15, $35, or even $50 by doing so in our following platforms later in the video. Later in this video, I'll demonstrate how to earn money step by step, as well as the best platforms to use for selling this service. But for the time being, scroll down and examine this colorization element for the colorization factor. You can choose between 12, 15, 18, 20, and 25. Those figures shows the maximum number of colors you can use in your image. Right now, you can select any number and then use Colorize button to colorize the original images. But first, by clicking the Upload button, you should upload your black and white photographs. To demonstrate, I'll use a photo from pexels.com that I downloaded as an example. As you can see, the original photo is black and white. And all I have to do now is select the Colorize option. You can see an example of the output right here. After you've colorized the photo properly, all that's left to do is download it to your device by clicking the Download button right here. Remember that you can use our platform with any of your devices, including smartphones. The nicest part about hotpot.ai is that it's completely free to use even if you don't have an account. This is a significant possibility for you, and it's a terrific asset that can assist you in the beginning to make money online. So go ahead and download as many free black and white images from pexels.com as you like, and then colorize them with hotpot.ai. That was the first step in making money on the internet today. Make sure to watch the video all the way through to learn about the remainder of the procedures in this efficient technique. Let's move on to the second platform where your images can be used and modified once again. It's called Removebg, and it looks like this. Basically, as the name of the website implies, you can remove the background from your images right here on this platform, and it's completely free. If you scroll down, you can see a thorough example of what I'm talking about. Isn't that amazing? You can use this trick and share it on one of our upcoming platforms. But for now, scroll down and click the blue upload button to upload your photos and erase their backgrounds for free. As an example, you can see that I've submitted a photo, and this service has automatically removed the background. The photo can then be downloaded to your device by pressing the blue download button. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. I'd like to offer you the best platforms for uploading your recent customized photographs and earning money right away, right now. The first is Fiverr.com, which is a well-known marketplace. This website accepts and provides a wide range of services, including your edited photographs earlier. After you've arrived at Fiverr, you'll need to search for colorized images in the search field. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you see folks selling the services that I discussed earlier in this video. You can view all of these deals right here, and you can see you can greatly profit from them. People colorizing black and white images for a fee can be seen down below. Take this one for example. As you can see, they provide the same service for $10. Isn't this a fantastic way of earning money online? As you can see, some people had their say about the services in question. This simply indicates that people are paying for the said services. To be the next person to earn that much money on Fiverr, all you need to do is sign up for a free account. To do so, head to your screen's top right corner and click the sign up button. After that, you'll be taken to this page, where you can enter your email address and password. To have a better sign-up experience, you can choose continue with Facebook or continue with Google. Once you've done that, you may now utilize Fiverr.com to sell your photo colorizing services and make money. Let's go on to the final platform of the day that will pay you for your edited photographs with no background. This is the homepage of peopleperhour.com, which is the second website I'm demonstrating that can help you maximize your results. This site is very similar to Fiverr.com in that it accepts similar services and is similarly highly rated. Now I want you to go to the search bar once more and type in background removal. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you can see people ready to provide such services for a cost ranging from $10 to $50. Isn't that outstanding for you? If you go down below, you'll see a lot more resellers. And you could be the next person to earn that much money by selling the same service. However, you must first register a free People Per Hour account. To do so, click the sign up button in the upper right corner after scrolling to the top of the page. Then you'll be taken to this page where you can choose whether you want to be a client or a freelancer. So make sure you choose the freelancer option. After that, you must click one of these two buttons right here. You can sign up using Facebook or email, and the choice is entirely yours. If you select sign up with email, you'll see this webpage where you'll need to enter your first and last names, as well as your email address and password. Finally, click sign up to finish your People Per Hour account and start selling for your photo background removal services. Last but not the least, both Fiverr.com and peopleperhour.com allow you to charge for background removal and photo colorization. To get the most out of this strategy, follow this advice. Finally, if you follow all of my procedures and recommendations in this video, you will immediately start earning $12 every 5 minutes or more. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word photos generating money. Once again, enter the code word photos generating money, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.